Okay, and this is Cooking with Curtis, and what we have going on here is the stuff that I started the night before from making the Cubano sandwiches. We have started the pickles, the Cuban bread, the dank chili powder. The chili powder went on the pork shoulder. Pork shoulder is going to marinate in the chili powder and some other stuff overnight, and tomorrow we will pick up where we left off. Have a good night. See you then. Okay, and so now we are going to be putting together our Cubanos. This is something that I started yesterday. I started the pickles yesterday, made those. Made the bread start for yesterday. And I made the chili powder that went on the marinade for the pork shoulder that I started smoking this morning. And cooked that for about 8 hours. So everything's all ready to go. I got some nice Black Forest ham here, and some Swiss cheese and provolone cheese. And so what we're going to do here is put these sandwiches together, get them on the grill, and get them going. So actually first here, probably should finish cutting this pickle up. And these are the pickles that I made yesterday in that other video. And they're ready to go. Okay, and here we are with our final segment for the Cubano sandwiches. We have all of our things that we need. We have our pulled pork, we have our Cuban bread, we got our pickles, we got some mustard sauce, some Black Forest ham, and some cheese over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and butter up some bread and put it on our flat top there and get it going. Put some mustard down on both sides. I like quite a bit. Some cheeses. Okay, so we got that down. We'll go ahead and get some ham preheated on the flat top. Pull pork down here, and this just smells absolutely amazing. I wish y'all could smell this, but you cannot. So then, I'm going to take our pickles, throw some pickles up there. Not this way though. Alright, there we are. And then we're going to press that sumbitch down. And there you have it. Cubano Sandwich.